Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. I welcome all of you for the environmental classes. Today's class is for the 11th, and the topic that we are going to discuss is adaptations. Adaptation is defined as any feature of an organism which is of definite value in permitting the organism to exist under the condition of its habitat. Adaptations are useful structural, functional, or behavioral changes developed in an organism over a long period of time so as to adjust itself to a particular environment. So, in simple terms, adaptations are the changes in the organism's structure or habit that allows it to fit, adjust its surroundings. Adaptations are changes that an organism makes in its body or in the things that it does in order to survive its environment. There are different types of environments that animals live in. Some animals live in an Arctic where it is very cold and there is a great deal of snow. Other animals live in the ocean or in ponds, streams, lakes, rivers. Still, other animals live in hot, wet places called tropical rainforests, while others live in hot, dry areas called deserts. There are two main types of adaptations that animals make to their environment: habit, behavioral adaptations, and physical adaptations. Habit adaptations are changes that animals make in their habit or way of doing things. One of the example of habit adaptation is migration. Migration is when animals travel to a long distance during a specific season for the year in order to find food or more comfortable climate. Examples of animals that migrate are whales, sharks, caribou, butterflies, and many different types of birds. Another example of habit adaptation is hibernation. Hibernation is a long, deep sleep that are that some animals take during the winter months. Besides, the reptiles are the examples of animals that hibernate. In favorable sessions or season, they eat a great deal and store the food as fat. When weather turns cooler, they go into caves and other safe places to sleep during the winter months. Some animals that hibernate wake up several times during the winter, others do. Physical adaptations are the changes in the physical characteristics of animal that led it to live in particular environment. For example, people, opposable time, wolves, feather enables silent flight, polar bear, hollow hair, trap heat. Types of adaptations. Adaptations are two basic types on the basis of their nature and role in evolution. Number one is the short-term adaptations. These are temporary morphological or physiological changes developed in an organism in response to temporary environmental changes. As these adaptations are in response to temporary environmental changes, there occurs no change in the DNA, and hence these adaptations do not play any role in evolution. For example, during winter season, hibernating animals suspend all their metabolic activities. When favorable conditions come, the animals become active again. Plant growth response like the phototropism, geotropism, etc., are also examples of short adaptations. Long-term adaptations. These are permanent biological changes developed in living organ in response to permanent change in environment. In these adaptations, there occurs some change in the DNA. Therefore, the changes are inherited from one generation to another generation. These adaptations also play an important role in evolution. The, for example, the white color and highly scented flowers produced by night blooming plants attracted the pollination. Kangaroo makes use of its thick tail as fifth limb for balancing the body while running. Adaptation due to light. Light affected the divergent aspect of animals. The growth of coloration of plumage or body, migration, reproduction, and other dispose, diapos are affected by light in various insects, birds, fishes, reptiles, and mammals. Many animals prefer to remain in dark, while others, like hydroids, fail to survive in absence of light. While the plants respond to light with the help of several pigment systems as chlorophyll and phytochrome, among the animals, various kinds of the photoreceptors exist. Systems exist. These include eye spots consisting of amylum granules, as in protozoa, folate ocelli in jellyfish, pit eyes in gastropods, vesicular eyes as in polychaetes, mollusks, and some vertebrates, telescopic eyes in certain fishes, compound eyes in crustaceans and insects, while simple eyes or ocelli in other arthropods and dermal light receptors in other animals. Light has also been found to influence the development of these visual systems. For example, many inhabitants animals of cave or deep sea generally have either vestigial eyes or no eyes due to the absence of the light in these environment. Bathymacops regis, the deep sea fish, 5,000 meters sea depth have no eyes. Some of the other important effects of the light on the animals are, and that will be discussed in the next chapter or next video. Thank you, my dear friends, for watching me.